I'm here with Miloš Zlatković from the CEO of Mily Technologies. We want to talk about AI, but without, enlarging the bubble.
Yeah, of course.
Let's talk about practical applications of AI. What are you seeing when it comes to practical applications of AI in the postal delivery last mile space?
So of course, there's a lot of buzz around it. How we approach this, basically, we looked at the cycle of problems that our customers need to solve in the process of building, managing, and scaling the networks. And we've seen that there's a lot of wrestling with the data, especially when you need to come up with, let's say, I need to find all the supermarkets. I want to partner with this chain, but are their locations complementary to ours and so forth? So we actually made it very easy as a conversation. So you type in, okay, I want all Lidl locations, let's say in Amsterdam, or I want all supermarkets in Amsterdam. And then from those, I might choose actually which ones I want to partner with. So that's one practical application. And there's no limit to basically the collection of leads that they can build out of it. That's just one example. The other one is, let's say you want to focus on a particular zip codes because you know you have a lot of volume there, but where are the boundaries of the zip codes? So you really want to go and try to sketch that yourself. Again, we made it very easy as a simple conversation. I want to focus on these particular zip codes. Can you actually find me an area? And then from that point on, I can use the leads that I used previously and start actually building out my network. So those are, let's say, the two examples where we've seen the ones that are coming are also related to, there's a lot of people working on the network design, but am I sharing my thoughts actually with you? Is the model that I build actually as clear to you as it is to me? So we'll actually make it very easy. So like, okay, what are the changes that I've made? Can I summarize that and actually make it easy for you? So those are very simple, small examples where you don't need to do a lot, but you actually focus on where the people spend a lot of time, automate that and make it very easy.
But you have to start with having the data, right? So the AI is being used to query the data. Am I right? And that's how you're approaching it?
So it's a mix of private data and also the public data. So it's really about the data that is out there, but you don't need to do the scouting for it. We actually embed that as part of the platform. So for you as a client, it's ready to use. It's for us to make sure that you have all the data readily available so you can use it.
But this is a specialized application of AI, but you're using it to query what's out there, and it's able to, I imagine, do it a lot quicker than us mere mortals can.
That's the goal, and it is a little bit of a magical feeling because suddenly you know that you've been looking for that data set for quite some time, and suddenly you just type it in and it's there. So it works quite well.
Are we at the beginning of something big here when it comes to AI, and should we be concerned at all that those of us who are knowledge professionals might be out of a job?
No, I think it's the way, how logistics is. It's a very practical industry. So you really need to solve the problem. People don't really care if it's AI or tomorrow something else. The question is it really solving my problem at the hand? And can it actually help me be better at my job? This is how we approach it. And this is basically what resonates with people. I think it will become easier for us to solve problems at a higher level. So instead of actually wrestling with data, I think, we'll be able to solve problems of a higher degree. And I think AI will just make it easier.
So it could be drawing out insights that we might not necessarily have detected.
Exactly.
Now, Miloš Zlatković, thanks very much for joining us today.
My pleasure, yeah.